Up to the north, the car is fully charged to 100%. We drive to the Nordkap, pure electric with the 1, 2, 3, 4 IONIQ 555. Past the Hyundai, over maybe, past the Arctic Circle. Hello Santa Claus, the final destination will be the island of Sinjar, a long way ahead of us. The car is fully charged to 100%. Let us sing hypercharger. 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 Up to the north, the car is fully charged to 100%. Let us sing hypercharger. 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 Up to the north, the car is fully charged to 100%. We drive to the Nordkap, pure electric with the 1, 2, 3, 4 IONIQ 555. Past Helsinki.